How to track Kakobuy Parcel. Now in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can track the specific items that you order from Kakobuy or your parcel. It's very easy. So first, if you go ahead and head straight into their official website, of course you must log in or create your account. So if you go ahead and locate or purchase anything from here, it will automatically be allocated into your user center. Just click that. Now, at your left side, these are all the features that you can use. To track your order, you can either go into warehouse or you can head straight into parcel. So first, here's the process. If you go ahead and paid a specific item here, it will show up here as paid. And if the item has already been shipped out, then it will go down into shipped, and all the tracking details that you need will also be indicated here. And that's it. That's how you track Kakobuy Parcel.